Welcome to my wonderful subscribers and viewers, wherever you are in this great, big, beautiful world. I hope you're all doing great today. Today, I have a treat for you. I am going to make some delicious coleslaw, and these are the ingredients that I'm going to be using. I am using half of a cabbage. You can mix your cabbage by using red, half of red and half of white if that's what you want. I have half of a grated onion. You can chop yours as finely as you can, and two medium carrots, which I'm going to shred. So, and in here, in this bowl, I have some cold water. I'm going to put the cabbage in the water until I'm ready to use it. This will stop it from getting brown. And I'm going to go ahead now, and someone is going to shred the cabbage for me. Now that the cabbage is shredded, I'm going to go ahead now and put them in the cold water. And then I am going to peel the carrots and shred them. So the carrots are finished shredding. You can cut yours like this, as tiny as possible, like a matchstick you want to. I'm going to go ahead now, and I'm going to wash the cabbage and spin it. Get it all nice and dry. Okay, I'm just about done now. I'm going to go ahead and add the carrots now. I'm going to mix it in. Okay, just about finished mixing it all in now. I'm going to go ahead and add the onions. I'm going to add a sprinkling of black pepper. I should use white pepper, but I'm out of white pepper. I've only got black pepper, but you can use white pepper. And I'm using half a teaspoon of garlic powder. Give it some flavor. Gonna mix it in. I am gonna add the mayo now. Okay, I am adding in 1 cup of mayonnaise. All you have to do is to taste yours and just add, more mayonnaise or black pepper. I won't be using any salt in mine. You can use salt in yours if you want to, but I won't be using any salt in mine. You can put as much mayonnaise in yours as you like, and black pepper, make it yours. And I am going to put in the description box with the recipe, I'm going to put how you can make your own dressing if you didn't want to use mayonnaise. I'm going to go ahead and give this a taste and see if I have to add anything else. Mm. You can taste the onion. It's all nice and crunchy. It tastes so good. I'm going to put a bit more black pepper in. Okay, so now this is all done. I am going to go ahead and plate it now. You can put a bit of sugar in yours if you want to make it a little sweet. Yes, my friends, this tastes so nice. It's so delicious. It should go down as the best coleslaw. And with the holidays near, this will make an excellent side dish. It will go with your curry goat, your chicken, turkey, roast beef, whatever you're having, this will complement it. Trust me. And if you're new to my channel, please subscribe and have a great day, and we'll see you next time.